Oh my god, you see the wiring. Thailand government should control like this. Got electric or not? Got electric or not? Oh, I mean, more. Very nice more. I need to do some exchange, career exchange. More fiber. Very modern, this one. Just now, the security guard say just somewhere around here. Yeah. And see all those Thailand people and how they do survive. Here, basement got many local food. Here, all local food. Small store like this. Yeah, daily life. Thai people. Maybe they also get stock from China and sell here. Very big here. Hey. Yeah. This one here, Thailand. Real life. Oh, have massage over here. Oh, bang. Just nearby here. Follow the bank, say follow the bank and see. Underground. Oh, here we go. This is the bank. This is one of the famous banks in Thailand. For Kasi Thai Bank. Kasi Thai. Here also have the Aeon. Yeah, this company managed super rich. More people, lunch time, yeah. The other shop. This is the famous one. This is the famous one in Thailand called Super Rich. Have many branches. But yeah, we try now. This one no bang. Let's see how. Going to grab drink. Yeah, this brand everywhere in the country. Awesome, everywhere. Best brand. It's from China. Amazing, this mall have a walkway for people cross the world. menu. You see the menu. Today not really hot. Yeah, normally Thailand is hot, but today just so. Not very hot. Yeah, this brand, you know what brand? Yeah,蜜雪. Yeah, this my favorite brand. In every country you go, sure you will see this brand. Oh my god, you see the wiring, electric wiring. Oh. Island car woman should control like this. Got electric or not? Got electric or not? Crazy. Yeah, one thing very good in Thailand. Everywhere you can see the street food like this. Yeah. Okay, my drink first. This is amazing of Mission. Go everywhere. The same brand, same thing, everything same. So no need to worry about what kind of drink you want to drink. Order mine. Get the fresh lemonade. Fresh lemonade. Less sweet, less ice. 20 baht.
Fresh lemonade.
Yep.
Like
Is it 20 baht? Very cheap. Thank you, Cap. Very cheap. Less ice, huh? Amazing of the branding. T-shirt. You go everywhere. Fantastic. Yeah, this is the best. Every country also have. ขอบคุณครับ Go every country also have. Oh, no need to worry about brand. You don't know the brand name. So,蜜雪always is the best. So people will buy because of the brand. Yeah. Enjoy, friend.